how dirty her car is? It's ridiculous, man. My God. Huh? Oh, I was saying how nice your car is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the She Fast channel. So happy that you guys have joined us yet again. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at these tires that I put on the Charger a few months ago. Now this was supposed to be a 100-mile review, but one of us be procrastinating a little much. So we done passed 100 miles. This was a few months ago that I got these tires, and y'all know I be driving Miss Daisy, so we're past 100 miles, but we're gonna still do the review anyway, because somebody out there, I know one of y'all needs some tires, and y'all trying to figure out which tires to get. What does this mean? What does that mean? Well, we're gonna do a review on these tires so that you can, be better informed, and maybe this might help you make your decision. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the Goodyear RSA all-season tires. We're going to talk about the various features of these particular tires, including how to read the sidewall information, pros and cons, and some alternative options that's, maybe similar to these tires or maybe not, but we'll talk about that. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. Do me a huge favor, y'all. Hit that like button, whether you do it now because you know this video about to be fire and you're going to like the video anyway. You can go ahead and hit the like button now, or of course don't forget to hit the like button at the end, y'all. Hitting that like button is going to help other people be able to find our content. It's going to help us grow our channel. So did you hit that like button? You know you're gonna like the video, so just hit the button. Anyway, so let's go ahead and jump into this review. All right, so first of all, we're gonna talk about the sidewall information that's on these tires. Now, if you like me, in my younger days, I had no idea what all these letters and numbers. I thought that tires was tires. You pick a tire, obviously I knew that it had to fit your wheel. So outside of the size of the tire or the height or whatever, outside of how big the tire is, I thought a tire was a tire, and let me tell you what, it's not. So the numbers and letters on the sidewall of a tire are going to give you information about the size of the tire, the load capacity, and a speed rating. I didn't even know that was a thing. Listen, so look at my tires here. These are 245, 45 R20s. Okay, so the 245 indicates the width of the tire in millimeters. The 45 is the aspect ratio. That's the ratio of the tire's height to its width. The R indicates that this is a radial tire. And then the last number, 20, refers to the diameter of the wheel that the tire is designed to fit. So that's a lot, I know. The 99V indicates the load capacity, because y'all know I got a big load. I'm carrying a big load, okay? So 99V indicates the load capacity and the speed rating of the tire. 99 is the load index, and V, the letter V, is the speed rating. So 99 indicates a load index of up to 1,709 pounds. The letter V indicates that the tire is designed for speeds up to 149 miles per hour, because y'all know I ain't going over no 149. The tires that came stock on this car were actually Z-rated. So depending on your intended use, you might want to go with a higher speed rating, especially if you go into the track, if you doing a lot of racing, or you just, how you drive. So, take your pick when it comes to the speed rating. But for me, I got the V-rated tires, which are safe for up to 149 miles per hour. Now, since having these installed, I have driven on the highway and I've been around the city. I've driven in dry conditions, rainy conditions. I found the ride to still be very smooth with minimal road noise, and it handles very well even in rainy conditions. Really not a whole lot of slip and slide. Nothing out of the ordinary. No hydroplaning for real. Not really sliding on the wet surfaces or anything like that. The tires grip really well under hard acceleration, so I'm really not spinning out. I gained my traction pretty quickly with these tires, so I'm happy overall with the performance so far. So now let's talk about some of the pros and cons of these tires. Several factors that we want to consider. So on the positive side, these tires are designed for all season use. They also provide good handling and cornering performance thanks to their asymmetrical tread design. So if you cutting them corners right quick, you know what I'm saying, this might benefit you. These tires have a relatively low noise level, which just makes for a more comfortable driving experience. So the tires are affordable. So if you don't want to break the bank, but you still want a quality tire, you might want to consider getting these tires. As far as the cons or the downside, some drivers have reported that these tires wear out quickly. That can be a really big downside if you're looking for a tire that's going to last you several years. Driving habits, of course, is going to play a role in that. So if you doing burnouts, these tires might not last you very long. So you probably don't want to be doing no burnouts. But y'all know me, I don't do no burnouts. Now, if you're looking for some alternative tire options, there are several options that you can consider. One option is the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Plus. This one is designed for high-performance vehicles, and it offers excellent handling and traction in both wet and dry conditions. Aside from that, another option is the Continental Extreme Contact DWSO6. This one is also all-season tire. It has great handling and durability. These options are more expensive, you know what I'm saying? But depending on your needs, the cost may be justified. So to wrap up this video, the Goodyear RSA all-season tires have performed very well for me so far. I'm happy with my purchase. I'll have to see how they hold up over time before I give like a final recommendation. But overall, for now, so far, I'm happy with them. So at the end of the day, it is always going to be first and foremost very important for you to make sure that you're doing your own research and get what's going to work for you. Because let me tell you what, if you get these tires and you don't like them, don't be putting in my comments talking about I owe you X amount of dollars because you bought these tires and you ain't like them, baby. I ain't tell you to get these tires. But anyway, do your research, read some reviews, and find a tire that's going to be right for you. So thank y'all for watching this review. I really, really, really hope that it was informational to y'all. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, you should have already thumbs up this video. But if you didn't, make sure you hit that like button right now. Click that subscribe button so that you can be subscribed to our channel and notified every single time we post a new video. Hit that notification bell so that that'll happen. If you don't hit that bell, it's not going to happen. So like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all of that, y'all. And we'll see y'all on the next video. All this trash Ali left in my car. I'm so tired of him leaving trash all in my car. I'll leave that. That's almost a whole bottle of water. Might get thirsty later. Look at all this trash. Look, crumbs. Oh my gosh. Who is beeping the horn? What is she beeping the horn for? The world. Great day.